Alright, just help me. Slide all the way down. Hold on. Oh, dude. It's stuck on my leg.
Gotta get behind it, I think.
Oh, I'm holding it with my leg.
How you gonna? Gotta get.
Oh, hold on, it's in gear. It's in gear?
Oh, man.
Break. Dude, he fucking flew down the hill.
No, like, hey. Like physically, are you good?
All good, yeah.
He hopped up, so he's good, more likely. He's not even limping.
But you know, you're
not even limping.
You know
you're not even limping, so. There's nothing.
No, I'm solid.
You're probably not broken.
Not at all. Saw it
You
locked
hit gravel,
up.
right?
No, bro. My shit just locked up and died. Look, you can see, hey.
Yeah, we're all good. Thank you.
You can see his tire where it locked up. Look. So I saw him downshift. I saw the back tire lock, and he tried turning, and it just went off.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's not good.
That's happened to me too, downshifting. And
Hold on, do you have your key?
too fast for the downshift. It locked.
Damn it.
Yeah, but are you okay?
It's just a bearing there.
For real.
I'm solid, bro. No, it's all good. Let's go keep up.
They just think we're slow.
Like nothing ever happened.